Hey secondary 1 math prodigies, it's Coach Saiful with your daily dose of math mastery, and today we're going to go into question number 2 of your math assessment paper number 3 on algebra. So let's go into the questions right away. So the question is this, it says factorize the following expressions. So this is a factorization question, and then part B we have something called manipulating algebraic rules. Okay, this two are actually pretty simple stuff for the first part, but for B, now that's where it becomes a little bit challenging, and today I'm going to share with you how to solve these kind of questions. So let's get right into it. Okay, so the question is this. Okay, excuse me, I have a little cold right now. Okay, so for part A, how do I factorize this? Remember, please write down the question again, just to make sure that it is actually correct. Now for this, again, all we have to do is take a look at the numbers individually and the variables individually as well. So now we have 3, 3, 18. Can we take out 3? Yes, we can. We take out 3. Can we take out A? No, we can't. Can we take out C? No, we can't. Oh wait, we can, because we have C's all over the place. We have C's on the first, on the second, as well as on the third one. So we can still take out C. So when we take out C, we have a bracket here, and we're going to put in the numbers. 3C times what gives you 3C? 1. 3C times what gives you 3AC plus A, minus 6 and B there. So 1 plus A minus 6B. Is that the answer? Yes, that is the answer. Very simple. Okay, for part B, 4x squared y squared minus 6. Wow, okay, hold on. 4x squared y squared minus 6xy squared plus x squared y cubed. Okay, so in this case, same thing. Let's take a look at the coefficients. Can we actually take out the coefficient? No, we can't. So what can we take out? We can take out x, and we can take out y. So in this case, let's take a look. What x squared? Can we take out x squared? No, we can't, because the second term does not have an x squared. So we can only take out x, okay? And then can we take out a y squared? Y squared here, y squared here, y cubed here. Yes, we can. Why? Because there is a y squared all over the place. So xy squared, we open up one bracket over there, and we put in numbers. So 4 remains, x times x gives you x squared, and y squared times 1 gives you y squared. So keep the minus, then you have 6, x is there, x times 1, y squared is there, is done, plus x squared y cubed. Therefore we have an x here to get x squared, and we have another y down here. So is that the answer? Yes, it is correct. Okay, so for part C, this is part C. This is the one where it gets a little difficult, right? Using algebraic equations. Okay, so for this kind of questions, you have to understand one thing, and only one thing. That is, any letters, that means any variables, is actually a number. Okay, this is the most simple thing you must understand in order for you to solve these kind of questions. In other words, in this case, 3C, for example, right? 3C is actually represents 3 times a number. It could have been 18, it could have been anything it is. So C is actually a variable. Okay, so that's why we can actually use this knowledge to actually give 59, for example, a letter. It could be X, it could be A, it could be anything you want. In this case, I'm going to use X. So let's let 59 be X. And let X be, no, let 59 be X, correct. Let 59 be X, so I'm going to put X squared minus X. Now for 6 squared, I'm going to give 6 a letter Y, okay, letter Y. So in this case, it becomes times Y squared, okay, and then I have plus 77, and I'm going to give that C, sorry, Z. Therefore Z, and then times 59 was what? 59 was X. So we do this. Now what you get here is, of course, an equation. X squared minus X times Y squared plus Z times X. Using BODMAS, we can actually remember that we actually have to multiply the things first. Therefore we get X minus XY squared plus XZ. Now in this case, what we can do is we can actually make it simpler. Yeah. So we take out X. Why? Because all the X's are in this, there are X's in every term. Okay, therefore we take out x, and we bracket, and we have x minus y squared plus z. Okay, now from here we can actually start putting in the numbers back. Okay, so I'm going to erase the things on top here so that you can actually see how I do this. It's pretty cool stuff. This is how math is used in the real world. So this is actually application of algebra. So as you can see, let's sub in back x as 59. So therefore we get 59 times 59 minus y. What was y? Y was actually 6, right? So therefore we have minus 6 squared plus, what's your z? Your z was 59. No, sorry, your z was 77. Don't get confused now. 59, then you bracket, you open up 59 minus 36. 59 minus 36 is going to give you what? Going to give you 23. 23 plus 77 gives you what? 100. Now you see how it works out. 59 times 100 gives you 5,900. And that is how you solve these kind of questions. Pretty cool, eh? That's how you get answer. So this is actually pretty cool stuff that I like to do because you actually apply the algebra. Okay, and again, like I always tell you, you can prepare all you want, but when you prepare, you're gonna make sure that you build up your confidence and you believe in your ability to do math, and actually you believe in you. And that's the quote for the week, and I'm gonna leave that with you for today. And with that, I'm gonna say you are a math prodigy. Good job.